So I just bought this 2020 13-inch base model MacBook Pro from Best Buy for $1,099 out the door before tax. Anyways, check out, I'm going to go ahead and unbox, and then I'm going to have some other videos after this, but let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So today we're going to do an unboxing of a 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro. I got the base model from Best Buy, and like I said, I got it for $1099, so $1,099, brand new. It's not refurbished, it's completely brand new from Best Buy. So here's my order. I actually ordered it on June 1st, 2020. I just got it today, and it's the newest model, 13-inch. You can see the model number there. It was $1099, 68 bucks with taxes. There it is, $1,168. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through, just if you watch my channel, you know I do a ton of Mac and Apple videos. What I'm going to do today is just do the unboxing, and then I'm going to have a whole series of videos coming after this. I'm going to do some tests on it, show people what it's like to maybe video edit on this machine, just some performance testing, just the overall first impressions and everything else. But this is an unboxing just to show you what it looks like and how it comes from Best Buy. And also, I got this for $1099, over $200 and something off the base price. So for that cost, this is a great machine. Let's go ahead and unbox it again, and then we'll go through, check out my channel, subscribe. I'm going to go through a whole bunch of different videos on this and show you guys what this system's all about. I love it. It's a great system. So anyways, let's get into the unboxing. So it finally arrived today from Best Buy, $1,099, for the base model, the 2020 13-inch, one of the best deals I've ever seen online. So go ahead and always wait for that price. But let's go ahead and unbox it right now. Let's go ahead and open up the first box. You always get a little bit excited opening these things up. As you can see, it's another box. They make you wait even longer. So here we go. Looks like there's actually a pull tab on this side. If you guys can see it, there's a little pull tab right here. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Very satisfying. Again, this is new, the 2020 13-inch. It's the base model, and I got it for $1099. All right, so we're still having a little bit of problems here. Here we go. Nothing else in there. Check this out. Everyone knows the experience of unboxing this, so it's always one of the best experiences you can have. And we're going to go ahead and do that in a second, but I just wanted to show you the packaging from Best Buy here. Double boxed up, which is really nice, and this is actually all sealed up, so let's go ahead and open this up as well. All right, so here's the part everyone loves to do. They always have these little pull tabs right here, and all you do is you kind of just pull it, and every time I do this, it never seems to work the way it does in the other unboxings, so I always have trouble with it right here. But anyways, what you want to do is just you want to open this up. It should be a lot smoother than this, so I apologize about that. I'm kind of ruining the experience for everyone here. But so the box is made out of, it's a really heavy box. It's made out of, more or less, I guess, it feels like wood, but it's really cardboard, but a really thick cardboard. And it's always impossible because of the seal to get the thing out of here. So you always have to shake it a little bit. And, by the time I'm done, I'm probably going to drop it on the floor for all I know. Anyways, again, the box is really nice, and the smell of it is incredible. It smells like some kind of new electronics. You can only, you have to be there to kind of experience it, I guess. And it's just a great unboxing when you open these up. These systems are brand new. They're nice. All right, so what do you get in the box? So let's go ahead and take this away. So in the box, you get the charging cable, and then you get this little pack of instructions, which is super, like 2 or 3 pages of instructions, like you need that. And that says Made in California. I'm looking for the actual stickers, and it's funny, after I did this, I looked and they're actually under the directions. I thought I got ripped off, but they're in there. I found them later, so don't worry about it. I don't know why I didn't see them. Anyway, I'm still looking for them right here. It's kind of funny. So it does come with the charging cable, then also the block charger here as well, and just a clean system and clean packaging by Apple, what you'd expect from all the other prior, unboxings that you've seen with them. All right, and then the next thing that's very pleasurable, I guess you can say, is ripping this off as well. Let's see how this goes for me. It usually comes off pretty clean on these systems, and this is kind of, where you can actually smell the electronics for the first time. These things new with no scratches on them, I don't know how long that's going to last. They just look so nice. I mean, the metal's polished, everything's perfect on them. For me, about a day or two, it'll be all scratched up, so hopefully I can keep it a little bit longer than that. But they're just nice systems to look at for sure. So here's the initial look at it out of the box. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. So here's how it looks. It looks really, really clean. They're just beautiful machines. So when you open it up, it has this little piece of felt up here that protects the screen. And as you can see, all these Apple laptops, when you open them up for the first time, they actually turn on automatically. And I'm gonna let this go in real time right now just so you can see the speed of it, how long it takes to actually turn on here. So it has to go through the initial, turn on, I guess, of it. And it's usually a little bit faster the next time you reboot it. But in any case, this is the experience you're gonna have. So I wanted to show everyone this. Now, the setup's going to go a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so we can get through it quickly. So if you set up a Mac screen, it's always the same thing, or a Mac computer. You have the welcome, the Wi-Fi, the data. You have to hide your password on people, so I'm going to hide that on you. Then it sends a little code to another device you have. You got to get that. Then you have the cloud, the keychain, find my computer, analytics, screen time, Siri, you name it, my fingerprint. Got to set up my fingerprint, set up my words in Siri. So these are all things you have to do. And then still keep going. iCloud you got to set up. You got to file vault disk encryption. And everything else, Touch ID, here's actually where my fingerprint reader is, so you got to do that as well. Do you want Pay on there, True Tone, you name it. I'm going to go ahead and check everything out here. All right, so when you're all done with all those settings, you finally get to see the boot screen, and there it is. That's the screen everyone wants to see. Running Catalina, you have some updates you're going to need to do, right off the bat. What I like to do when I first get the systems is always check the brightness. I always want to know how bright my laptops are because I like bright laptops. So I always go in and I just want to make it a little bit brighter, but you can see where it is defaulted to. I also like, the True Tone is something I haven't had in the other laptops that I've had with Apple. So I'm just checking that out now, but I can't really see a huge difference right now. But anyways, we'll check that out as well. I just like to fool around with it initially, and then I'm going to go ahead and get all my applications set up on here, and just change the icons at the bottom of the screen. Just make it my own, and I'm going to do that in a ton of other videos for everyone here. So check out my channel later. I want to definitely do a lot of videos for everyone, and I'm going to show you like speeds of this thing, how it works with just normal applications, video editing, and everything else, just the internet in general. So at the end of the day, it's a 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it's the new one, 2020 again. It's the base model, and I got it for $10.99, which is an incredible price. You can see how nice it looks here. If you can get it for that price, I highly recommend it. It's got the headphone jack on one side, and the big caveat is only got the two ports, the two USB-C ports on this side, but if you can deal with that, it's a great system. Fast enough, it should be. We'll test it, but for 1080p and 4K video editing, it's got the vent on the bottom. It's got a little bit better cooling than the Air, so we'll check it out. Check out my other videos. So just a quick unboxing right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and make those other videos. Like I said, just stay tuned. Please subscribe if you want to see those, all about the new machine. Pretty impressive box. I mean, it's made out of like almost wood, it seems like, although it's not. But anyways, it's just a cool unboxing. I've been waiting to get one of these, and for $10.99, $1,099, it was so much off, I couldn't resist. So I know some people obviously are waiting for that perfect MacBook Pro to come out, or even iMac, or whatever you want to call it. But this one for $10.99 I thought was the best deal. I had some gift certificates and things, so it made me, I didn't think twice about pulling the trigger on it. But stay tuned for the videos coming up, because I'm going to make a ton of them on this machine just to show you about video editing again, how it performs, just basic tasks and everything else. Does the base model 13-inch 2020, is it good enough? Stay tuned, and we'll make some videos on that coming in the next month.